Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kim, America's Holistic Food Doctor. In this video, you'll meet my very healthy patient, 92 years old, who exercises all the time, who juices all the time, who came in with very thick toenails. Let's see how I can help him.
3 hours at my primary doctor. They had me all wired up. I had to go through
all different tests?
EKG, that sound thing they found a blockage up here in my neck.
Oh.
So
everything was okay?
well, I feel okay, but he just told me to take it easy and start drinking Ensure or
Oh, really? Are you losing
3
weight?
bottles a day for more protein.
Oh, really?
So,
You gonna drink more of that?
but I bought whey protein and collagen
Oh, okay.
and all that other, and that's my smoothie in the morning.
Oh, okay. That sounds really good.
Yeah, so I put a banana, blackberry, blueberries, and raspberries, and then all my vitamins, and the plastic tubes I take and open them up and dump inside there, and then I take pomegranate juice and mix it up, and that's my drink.
Nice.
And then every morning I have 3 to 5 eggs. One morning I'll have 5 eggs. Next morning I have 3 eggs.
Wow.
I poach them. Over easy. Sometimes I scramble.
Wow. Do you have
I just bought a big commercial juicer.
Oh, really?
And I'm juicing every vegetable, spinach, carrots, cucumbers, cauliflower, beets.
Wow.
You name it.
Wow, you're a health freak now.
And I drink all the juice, and then the pulp that's left over, I got the vegetable, where it comes in a box. Oh, darn it.
Vegetable, they come in a box. Did you order it?
It's a liquid.
Oh. Or like a juice, like a
Yeah, so
green
I pour
juice?
that in a kettle and take all the pulp and pour in there, and then slice up potatoes and put in there, and some more carrots and more vegetables, and that's my soup for 2-3 days.
Wow. You're really healthy now.
Boy, I'm telling, I am going crazy with being healthy.
Wow. How about exercise? What do you do for
I'm
exercise?
going to Planet Gym or Planet Fitness.
Oh, Planet Fitness?
Yeah,
Is that a good place?
yeah, they got every type of
Machines there.
exercise you want to do.
So what do you use there when you go there?
Pardon?
What kind of machines do you use?
Well, I do the treadmill, 30 to 40 minutes. Then I do the bike for like 15 minutes. And then I go lift weights. Not lift weights, they have machines
Oh, yeah.
that you do the weights with. And I do all the upper body one day. The next day I do the lower body.
Wow.
So,
How many days a week?
4 to 5 days.
Really? You're a serious health guy now.
Well, I'm going to try and live to be 140. That's my goal.
Wow. How old are you this year now?
I've been telling people I'm not going to live to 140, actually 135 to 140, since I've been 20 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
Well, February 2nd, I'll be 91.
91. Wow. You look great. I know your nickname was Elvis, right?
Yeah.
I personally think you're
That's been a
better
while.
looking than Elvis.
I've been
personally.
retired now 7 years, and I've been doing all kinds of work.
Also,
in
you
the house doing. I even have a gardener, but a lot of times I'm out there.
do you do it yourself?
And the people that live around me don't give a damn about what they just sow on the lawn and out in front of in the street. Garbage. I'm out there cleaning the
Wow.
street up and my yard up. And,
Wow. So you retired at what age? 80?
pardon?
You retired at what age?
84.
84? Wow. Is that kind of the record? Is there people
Yeah,
that
yeah, I started in 53
uh-huh.
and
How many
retired
years?
in 84. 66 years.
66 years? Wow. Is that the record? Did you work the longest there at the port?
Yeah.
Really?
Long Beach, Toenail Island, San Pedro, Outer Harbor, Inner Harbor.
That's crazy. Hi, it's me again. Hope you've been enjoying this video so far. If you have, leave the word healthy92 into comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
For 75. 75, I made boss, a foreman, and I was foreman until I retired.
Wow, that's amazing.
Well,
Is there age
I
limit?
had to.
Is there age limit how long you can work? So
No limit.
really,
No limit.
is there somebody that
If
works?
it wasn't so, I'd be breaking my hip.
Uh-huh.
I'd probably still be there.
Oh wow. So is there like a somebody that's older than you that retired?
Oh yeah, but they don't have the years that I got.
Oh yeah. But you're 84 when you retired? Oh my God, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
And when I was working, I had cancer, go through chemo and radiation.
Huh?
I was on the ship working.
Still working with the chemo?
Still working, yeah.
Wow. How'd you handle that? It's kind of hard, no?
Well, my ex was taking me back to court every 6 months for more money.
Really?
And for me to live, I
Uh-huh.
had to work.
Oh, you had to work.
Yeah.
You had no choice.
But she was drawing half of my pension and drawing alimony.
Oh, wow.
And it left me with actually hardly no money at all.
Oh, wow.
So I
yeah,
worked, I put in 100 hours a week
Oh, really?
just so I could live.
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Yeah,
So that's why you're working so hard.
that's it.
Wow. That's amazing, though. You worked at your...
But you know what? In a way, I am thankful that I did work that long. Because look at me. I feel healthy.
Yeah. No, you look great.
My mind says I'm 50.
Yeah.
My body just says, give me a break.
Give me a break.
Other than that,
Yeah, no, you look great. I wish I could show your face. 91, 92, you said. 91?
like I tell you, I'm going to get too busy and keep exercising and juicing and eating the right food.
Yeah. That's amazing.
The only problem is I can't gain weight.
No? You don't need to gain weight.
Oh, I
You look-
guess I do.
Really?
Last year I weighed 182.
Uh-huh.
Yesterday I weighed 147.
Oh, I see. You're a little thin, but...
Now doctor says, man, you better start eating. I said, I eat everything I can get my hands on.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, I eat pizza, hamburgers,
Really?
French fries.
All that? And then still?
Zucchini fries.
Really? You eat all that and still...
Some sandwiches.
Really? You eat all that?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's my, for lunch I eat that. And then for dinner, I make my dinners. I eat a lot of squash, zucchini, and picnic, yellow squash, and carrots. And then I'll cook me a steak, baked potato.
With all that, you're not gaining any weight.
That's it.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Maybe you need to get lazy.
Huh?
Maybe you need to get lazy and not work out. Gain weight.
Well,
I'm just kidding.
I feel I have to work out.
I know. No, I'm not.
Listen, I got no muscle here, and I've been working out, but not really hard.
Yeah.
I'll work out maybe 40 minutes to an hour.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next day I'll do the bottom side. And
Okay,
I'm
sorry.
there for like maybe 30 to 40 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Really? But everything's working. I don't know if you're not getting. Oh, that one hurts. Huh? It's a little thick right here. So I'm gonna do a little bit more here. I'm gonna grind it down a little bit more. Okay. A little sensitive there. Okay, Jim, good seeing you, okay? I know you're going back to Texas.
Pardon?
I know you're going back to Texas, so be careful, okay? Weather's bad right now.
I gotta stay here now until next week to get the results of yesterday.
Oh, I see.
So I called Nancy this morning and told her to fly in
Oh, she's gonna fly
next
in?
week
Uh-huh.
because I want her with me when the doctor tells me what to do and what to eat, what not to eat.
All that, huh?
Because and then we'll go back, and that way she can have all that ready for me.
Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Very good. Thanks for allowing me to film you today, Jim. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see in this video, this patient is extremely healthy at 92 and exercises all the time and extremely eating healthy all the time. And it's amazing he worked until he was 86 years old. Until then, be educated, get empowered, encourage others today.